ClickWages is a platform that claims users can earn money by clicking ads, completing tasks, and referring others. But is it really a legit way to make money, or just another online scam? After researching user reviews, payment proofs, and the platform's terms, there are several red flags to consider. Many users report difficulty in withdrawing earnings, with high payout thresholds and unexpected fees that make it nearly impossible to cash out. The site also heavily relies on referrals, which is a common tactic used by pyramid schemes rather than genuine earning platforms. Additionally, there's little transparency about who runs ClickWages, which raises concerns about its legitimacy. While some users claim to have received small payouts, the overall experience suggests it's not a reliable or sustainable income source. If you're looking for real ways to make money online, it's best to avoid ClickWages and focus on proven opportunities with a track record of paying users fairly. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.